consider like chain free when you turn 21?
It's like a light switch flipping on.
Swayze's in a phase of where everybody's getting ready to graduate high school and they're, going on to college and doing the different things. You're kind of set in what you're doing already. I don't want her to get comfortable in just hanging with you and not pursuing her own dreams and goals and doing the things that kids her own age are doing. The age difference has bothered me because I feel like at this age, it's huge. She still lives with us, and so she still has to go by our rules. And so I really want you to be respectful of that, as well as obviously her, because she's going to get in trouble if she doesn't.